also delivered today. This is my Calyx. This is my Malm, I think. And then I ordered a few things. I also ordered a few more of their organizers for my things, but I think I'll be needing more. But yeah, I just ordered this vase, which is super cute, like pretty. And then I ordered 2 lamps because my ceiling looks like this right now. And then I just ordered my pillow, which I left in Italy because it was so flat. So really excited for my pillow because I needed that. And yeah. My first rice cooker. So excited. My first rice cooker.
But I don't wanna come down. Caught up in a long free fall. You got me off of the ground. Sway for a minute, the plane moves side to side. Ticket, I want you in my life. Feel a mile high when you're on my side. High up in the sky, cruising through the night. Follow the signs, you're looking like a one-way. Gotta make the right choice. Hope I make the right noise. Hoping that you like boys like me. I know you're feeling me from across the room. I got a feeling you could be my muse. I hear strange when I see you. You say green, but I see blue. Either way, your eyes the ones I'm looking to. When I'm hell first, falling from heaven, baby. Living on the prayer that you catch and save me. I was unaware of our elevation till I looked down. All the people look like it's now high when you're on my side. High up in the sky, cruising through the night.
I'm super sweaty. I don't know why I took a shower today in the morning, but okay, anyway, I was yesterday at IKEA and I needed to buy a few things that I needed, like took an IKEA receipt I had left and put it on my LED clock and poked in the holes, so I know where to kind of like, you know, what at. But I also leveled it with my phone with the measuring app. So now I think I'm just going to, I'm scared that I'm doing something wrong. I don't like that. Doesn't that looks perfect. Oh my god, I'm so good. Now I take this IKEA thing down. Okay. So I'm putting it right here. I'm talking to you guys as if someone is here. It's literally hilarious. My round mirror right here, and all this stuff is gonna be gone. And then see, so now I would need my handy little steps. Oh, okay. Oh my god, am I ready for this? Isn't that too high? I'm so scared, no. Okay. Oh my god, I did it! No! It's crooked! Oh. No. How crooked is it? Wait, let me get up my measuring tape. Mathematically, it's right. If it's mathematically not working, I'm going to sue. There we go. Okay. You don't know how scared I am to like let this mirror like fall. Where's the mirror? There. I'm gonna put that mirror on there. That's in the middle! It's in the middle, it's in the middle! Oh my god! There. Perfect! Yay! Now I'm going to put my books into this Calyx shelf. Because they've been literally on the floor right here. So I'm gonna do that right now.
Maybe you, maybe you.
I've got another package, and with this particular package, I do not remember what I had bought. Like, I know I bought chairs, but I don't think that these are the chairs. Like, anyway, these ones are for my curtains. Yes, seems like nothing happened with them, which is very good. There. Okay, so we have, this is the chair. I'm gonna put them on my desk, on my table. Oh, we got bubble wrap. Then we got, I'm guessing these are the legs for the chair. Okay. And then we have the two seats for the chair. Box. Now the only thing I gotta do is build these chairs and bring these boxes down.
See those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky. And I feel so lucky I met you. Spent my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby. And all these broken roses led to you. Spent my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby. And all these broken roses led to you. I feel so lucky I met you.
I have gotten, oh yeah, I know what these are. This is my magnetic key holder, the cloud one actually, because I don't like that my keys are always just in the middle of freaking nowhere. So I got this holder. Oh my god, look how cute! This sounds so cute. Oh, then I can hold on to my keys. Oh, perfect. I think I want to stick it here. Maybe, yeah. Just need to look if it's straight. Oh my god, look how cute! Is it crooked? Yeah, maybe, but it looks cute. So, my chair for like, I don't know, chilling just arrived. product. The chair, the little box for leg support, or just the box. And it looks so good, and I'm so happy I was able to do it, not gonna lie. Looks so good.
Is everything a dream? I don't know what this means. Time has been slow, it seems. Cover your face while we blame the 19. So many different scenes, growing from what I've seen. Everything's one routine. All of 19. Stay